Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to get iOS 26 theme on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select your language. After that, just tap on continue. Now just tap on continue and tap on get started. Now just tap on skip. Now from here, just select your wallpaper. I will select this wallpaper, then tap on set wallpaper. Now just tap on continue with free version. Now just tap on the screen, then select set as default. Now just select launcher OS. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed the iOS 26 theme on our smartphone. Now if you open the iOS launcher app, now just give this app this permission, and from here you can edit the launcher as you like. For example, if you go to general, you can hide the navigation bar, and you can also enable auto arrange the home screen, just like that. And this is how you can get iOS 26 theme on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.